general knowledge about the Dragon Boat Festival. May 5th on the Chinese lunar calendar is the Dragon Boat Festival for Chinese people. It is known as one of the 4 traditional festivals in China, together with Spring Festival, Qingming Festival, and Mid-Autumn Festival. In 2009, the Dragon Boat Festival became China's first festival to be selected for the world's intangible cultural heritage. The origin of Dragon Boat Festival. There are many different legends about the Dragon Boat Festival, but the most famous one is related to Chu Yuan, a patriotic poet and statesman during the Warring States period. Chu Yuan served as the emperor's advisor and was held in high regard by the nation for his patriotism. However, his opponents in the royal court maligned him in front of the emperor, causing Chu Yuan to be banished from the court. Without Chu Yuan's advice, the emperor made ill-considered decisions that brought the country's downfall. On the 5th day of the 5th lunar month, 278 BC, Chu Yuan threw himself into the Milua River and died for his beloved homeland. Locals living nearby rushed into their boats to search for him. To protect Chu Yuan's body from the gnawing of fish and turtles underwater, people threw jiao shu, rice dumplings, and other food into the river. Customs around the Dragon Boat Festival. Dragon Boat Racing. At the center of the festival are the dragon boat races. Competing teams paddle their colorful dragon boats forward to the rhythm of the beating drums. These exciting races were inspired by the villagers' valiant attempts to rescue Chu Yuan from the Milua River in ancient times. The custom of dragon boat racing has spread to Japan, North Korea, and Malaysia. In recent years, it is also becoming popular in Australia and many European countries. Dragon boat racing is gradually becoming a global sport. Eating zongzi. Zongzi is indispensable during the Dragon Boat Festival. Every family makes zongzi with soaked glutinous rice and clean reed leaves. In the northern part of China, zongzi is filled with jujubes, and people eat zongzi with white or brown sugar, while in the south, zongzi fillings include ham, mung beans, bean paste, mushrooms, egg yolk, streaky pork, and others. Hanging wormwood. In the 5th lunar month, insect pests are already active, and people are prone to catch diseases. During the Dragon Boat Festival, Chinese households hang wormwood leaves and sweet flags on doors or windows to drive away flies, fleas, moths, and other insects from the house. These 2 plants are useful in preventing certain diseases.